Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Chastity here. Today I'm making low-carb jalapeno poppers. These are one of my favorite low-carb snacks, and it's a great way to use those jalapenos in the garden. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, pepperoni, and some jalapenos. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And first, you want to make sure your jalapenos are clean and you want to cut the stems off. You can wear gloves if you're worried about touching the jalapenos. I do not feel that jalapenos are hot peppers. They're more of a mild pepper to me, but I know some people have different opinions about that. So if you feel like they're a hot pepper, by all means wear gloves. After the stems are off, you want to cut each pepper in half and remove the inside. If you want your peppers to have a little more heat to them, then leave some of the seeds and the inside in the peppers. I will make some of mine mild by removing everything, and some I will leave some of the seeds in so they'll be hotter. Now remember to save any seeds you don't use so you can plant them next year. That way you don't have to worry about buying seeds. And if you do want your peppers to be mild, you may want to rinse them again to remove any excess seeds that may be stuck in them. Next, all you do is mix together the cream cheese, the cheddar cheese, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then you want to fill each pepper with a cheese mixture. I'm just doing it with a spoon, but you can also use a bag and just pipe it in with the bag. Then you want to place a pepperoni on top of each jalapeno. You want to place in the oven for 30 minutes. Remove and enjoy. These are super easy to make, and they are a great appetizer or snack for those eating a low-carb diet, and they are drool-worthy. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check back on Friday as I show you how I make pepper flakes from my Carolina Reapers quickly. And then on Monday for the Lake Hill City Birds, I will be showing you how I made a squirrel baffle, and we'll see if it actually works. Don't forget to check back every Wednesday for more drool-worthy human and doggy treats, and as always, y'all have a very blessed day.